Dubbing requires a combination of linguistic, cultural, artistic, and technical skills in order to deliver high-quality audio that effectively communicates the original content to a new audience. Balancing a captivating performance with the technical requirements whilst ensuring the recording is top quality is challenging work even for the most experienced voice actors. So in this video, we'll outline the best tools and processes for recording so you can achieve an accurate dubbing performance that can also follow Voquent's audio quality standards. After practicing everything in this video, you'll be able to make the best use of your equipment and time when recording. It'll also create a smooth handover to our engineers and guarantee everything is perfect by the client's deadline. Now, before we start, we're not here to waste your time. So we've broken the video down into chapters so you can select the sections that are most relevant to you. Before you start recording, it's vital that you understand what we require to produce a top-tier dub. Now, when a project begins, your project manager will provide you with a brief and the dubbing script. This script is a spreadsheet that includes the character's name, start, end, and duration timecodes for each line, as well as the lines themselves. Your audio should align with the timecodes provided, but please cross-reference this with the video itself just to ensure an accurate sync. Recording in sync with the picture is paramount, so you must have access to the video as you record to ensure an accurate performance. For this reason, we advise avoiding Audacity. We recommend using Reaper or Pro Tools because both allow for simultaneous video playback whilst recording, and they offer excellent audio quality. If you're not already using these apps, then please check the software you are using is approved by our engineering team. Now that you have the right tools, it's time to start recording your audio. Creating a high-quality dub is our top priority. The Voquent dubbing packages offer different dubbing standards, so it's important that you understand which level of sync is required. We offer phrase sync and lip sync. With phrase sync, whenever the person on screen is talking, you're talking. Each line should start and end within the time codes given, but each individual word does not need to sync with the speaker's mouth movements. Lip sync dubbing requires more precision to match each word with the precise lip movements on screen. You need to make sure that the audio files are ready to be synced with the video before delivery. To ensure this, don't just refer to the timecodes. Compare your audio to the video while you're recording to check the sync accuracy. Before recording, you must watch the relevant sections of the video to fully grasp what is happening on screen, allowing you to replicate the performance authentically. You can then record the lines and then compare them directly with the timecodes and the video itself to ensure the audio is accurate. If the audio doesn't match with the visuals, then record another take to improve the sync. You may also need to adjust the speed at which you speak. Our audio engineers are exceptionally busy, so we must get your audio as one file per roll per video. So don't deliver the audio as lots of individual lines and clips, or include all of your alternative takes. If you want to include these, put them in a separate folder. You can always record one line or segment at a time, but encode the audio out as one file containing all your synced lines for that role in one video. If you're playing one role in a 30-minute video, you'll therefore be required to deliver one 30-minute audio file to our team, including gaps in the speech. So if you're dubbing more than one character, each character should have their own audio file that lasts the total duration of the video. This way, each audio file can be layered over the video simultaneously, allowing our engineers to do all the mixing and create the final dubbed audio track. Always deliver your audio as uncompressed 48 kHz 24-bit mono WAV files, and we'll do the cleaning and encoding on our end. Now, if you notice any issues with the material and you want to make minor adjustments yourself to improve the sync, please go ahead, but also make a note of what changes you make. These minor adjustments include neutral language, such as adding or removing words like you know or and then to create a better sync. This also includes timecode adjustments of less than 1 second. And if there's an issue with the translation or the timecode you've been given is wrong, let the project manager know immediately so we can adjust this. This will allow us to fix the issue for you and any other talent working on the project and ensure that the dub is ready to be delivered to the client on time. You're also welcome to contact the project manager should you have any other questions relating to the project. We want to represent the original content accurately. So along with reading the project brief, you must also watch the original performance to ensure you better understand the vocal nuances of the character or actors you're portraying. Your audio should also replicate breath management. If the video speaker can be seen or heard breathing, we should also hear you breathing to best recreate the original performance. Similarly, any non-verbal sounds such as must also be included in your audio to ensure an accurate dub. Now, we want to provide you with ongoing work, so maintaining the agreed upon schedule with our clients is essential. Please ensure that you deliver the audio by the deadline stated in the project's brief. If one audio file is delivered late, then the entire project will be delivered late to the client, which can seriously harm their production and distribution schedule. You should submit the file to your project manager via WeTransfer or Google Drive, and the file's title should follow this formula: videos _ episode name _ character _ VO first name _ language. And there we have it. Everything you need to know to complete your first dubbing project with Voquent. You should now have a clear understanding of the tools required, the recording process, and the performance expectations for delivering a top-tier dub. Just remember that your role as a dubbing artist is pivotal to accurately representing the original content and ensuring a seamless viewing experience for global audiences. We can't wait to see the incredible work you'll produce with us.